Hey guys, welcome back to the Tiki Kev shop, and we are down one bar, kind of. The big bar is loaded up. Can you say hello, Long Island? I don't really want to. I dread this drive. The roads are absolutely horrible. I think until we get on the Long Island Expressway, then it's not going to be too bad. But a bunch of my buddies came over yesterday. We got the big bar loaded, got that a little one off the work table. I am one step closer to starting several more bars. But as you guys see in all my videos, I'm packed in here. But I am loaded. It's 1 o'clock Friday. Patty and Krabby Larry stopped over today. Helped me, Patty and Krabby helped me load all the palms. And then Krabby helped me get all the tools together. And we're loaded. Everything's in there. The roof, all the components, everything's there. I put the ceiling fan together this morning. There's the bar on the trailer. We are all set to go. And Larry checked all the tires for me. Good thing we did. These tires are supposed to be 90 psi. The lowest one was 13. The highest one was like 34. So we're all set. We are heading out hopefully by 6 in the morning. And hopefully we don't hit too much traffic getting into Long Island. And we can get in, get the job done, and head on back home and finish this one on Sunday maybe. And then we'll see. I might want to take a couple hours off. So maybe I'll work a half a day Sunday, at least get this bar top built and on. The doors are done. I just got to seal them and put them on. And these 6 bars, we're going to be starting them real soon. And again, anybody that needs a job, give me a call. This is getting ridiculous. Tell you what, thank God Patty and Krabby helped me today getting this stuff together, because I came in early this morning, put the ceiling fan together, and Krabby came in and helped me with a bunch of stuff. I'd still be another 4 hours getting ready for this trip. But it went nice and smooth, so hopefully the trip does too. All right, well, I guess we're heading to Long Island in the morning. So I'll make a video then. But until then, from the Tiki Kev shop, Tiki Kev out.